Welcome to another video. Today we have a double radical equation and we are required to find the value of x. We have the square root of s plus 4 plus 1 equals the square root of 2x plus 6. S is equal to what? So let us go ahead and find the value of x in this double radical equation. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we're going to do to answer this question is to get rid of one of the radicals. To do that, let us square both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, we are going to expand the expression. On the right hand side, this square will cancel out the square root radical. We will be left with 2s plus 6. Now, let us multiply what we have on the left hand side. The square root of s plus 4 times the square root of s plus 4. That will give us s plus 4. The square root of s plus 4 times 1. That will give us the square root of s plus 4. 1 times the square root of s plus 4 will give us the square root of s plus 4. And 1 times 1 will give us 1. And this is equal to 2x plus 6. Now let's simplify the left hand side a little bit. We have x. 4 plus 1, we will have 5 plus 5. The square root of s plus 4 plus the square root of s plus 4. That will give us 2 square root of s plus 4. This is equal to 2x plus 6. Now, let us leave the term containing the radical on the left hand side, while we move s plus 5 to the right hand side. We have 2x plus 6 minus x, then minus 5. Note that their signs change when they cross the sign of equality. So let's simplify further. We have 2 times the square root of s plus 4 is equal to 2x minus s, that will give us x, and 6 minus 5 we're going to have plus 1. The next thing we're going to do is to get rid of this square root radical on the left hand side. To do that, we are going to square both sides of the equation. 2 raised to the power of 2, that is 2 times 2. So we will have 4 here, and this square will cancel out the square root radical. We'll be left with s plus 4. This is equal to, on the right hand side, we are going to expand what we have. 4 times x is going to give us 4x, and 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. This is equal to, now let's multiply here using the FOIL method. S times s will give us s squared, and s times 1 will give us x. 1 times x will give us x, and 1 times 1 will give us 1. So we will have 4x plus 16 is equal to s squared. S plus s will give us 2x plus 1. Now, let us equate it to 0. So 0 is equal to s squared. 2x minus 4x is going to give us minus 2x. And plus 1 minus 16 is going to give us minus 15. We now have a quadratic equation. Now we are going to solve this equation quadratically. Now we are going to find two numbers, so that when we multiply the two numbers, we will have minus 15. And when we add the two numbers together, we will have minus 2. The two numbers are going to be minus 5 and plus 3. Now let us equate each of the factors to 0. Solving for x, s is equal to minus 5 going to the right hand side, will become plus 5. And here we have that s is equal to 3 going to the right hand side, become minus 3. So we have that s is equal to 5 and s is equal to minus 3. Now the next thing we're going to do is to check whether our answers are correct. We will replace x with these values in the given equation. This is a given equation. Let us replace x with 5. This will be 5 plus 4 will give us 9. Square root of 9 plus 1 is equal to the square root of 2 times 5 is 10 plus 6. The square root of 9 is 3 plus 1 is equal to the square root of 10 plus 6, that is 16. 4 is equal to the square root of 16 is 4. So this is correct. Now let us replace s with minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4 will give us 1. Plus 1 is equal to 2 times minus 3 will give us minus 6. then plus 6. The square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 6 plus 6 will give us 0. So this is not true. So we will reject this. Minus 3 is an extraneous solution. So the only value of x is 5. Thank you for watching this video. Please support the channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. Have a great time.